So today we are celebrating Independence Day. So we are celebrating, and now we have some questions around. So let's see, our team member is there. So let's go. So hello guys. Look at this man after 2 to 3 months. So let's start some questions around. So Gayatri, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So
First,
let's start.
from Soumya.
Okay.
Okay. So Soumya, let's tell if you will be able to design our Indian flag for one day, then what the funny and quirky thing you are going to add in the flag for one day? And you have to tell the reason also.
And time is limited, so
Pokhara platter. Because it's
I know you can also.
emotion of all Odisha Basi. Indian but Indian. I would like to add Pokhara platter.
Any specific reason?
No, because she's a foodie. Because
Okay.
I'm Odisha Basi. That's why I.
So yeah.
What you gonna add in Indian flag?
Tiger.
Why?
Why?
Because we Indians are tiger.
Okay. That's cool. So this is basically for fun. So okay. Next one is like Subransu. So no. Gayatri, please come and tell. No. Gayatri, please come. Okay. Yes.
Obviously. So, if you are going to add a funny thing in our Indian flag for one day, then what should it be? It should be funny and related to Indians.
Time is limited. We have also some EOD sections also after 6 p.m.
No idea.
You are Indian, right?
Confusing.
This is the worst. This is the worst answer ever.
At least tell one thing. Whatever in your mind, you can tell.
So she
Oh my god.
Sri Lanka content.
Why? Gayatri, please. So Gayatri, let's go. Let's come. So SEO expert, sorry, like
Okay, then answer.
Rajeshwari.
You already heard the question, right? It should be a funny, a quirky thing. Whatever in your mind, you can say.
Anything.
Anything. Yes. Anything related to your daily life.
You can also tell why.
Why?
Any specific reason behind this? Waiting for Avinash my opinion. No.
Hey!
Okay, next Supriti.
Okay, finally, Avinash bhai.
Avinash bhai.
should bring back the coding from English.
What?
The coding about India from English.
Okay, original Kohinoor.
Quiz.
It's rare black diamond. So bring back from the English one.
It's okay.
No.
I don't
Avinash my reaction देखो दिलो ना. 8 मिली जो 8 rare मिले.
Kohinoor
से कौन से कोहिनूर आने के से लगे वैसे इंडियन फ्लैग रे. Next one is like Mohan. No.
We know we also
Yeah.
we won't gonna change the symbol, but it's for a fun purpose, so that's why I'm asking.
In my mind,
Yes.
in the center of the flag, we can add a symbol.
Anywhere you can add.
Yes.
According to you,
Okay.
Because you are going to design it.
Yes. Replace the circle and add a work from home with little later. Then we will be totally independent.
Okay. Cool. Next day.
So let's come to Meenakshi.
Yeah.
Meenakshi, what is your opinion?
I would say big fat plate of chicken biryani.
Oh my
Because
god.
that's what most Indians begin with. You can't say no to biryani unless and until you are a vegetarian.
So okay.
Okay, because I think there are so many foodies are in our office, right?
Exactly.
Go to Mother's Day.
Okay, next one was no. This is for fun purpose. No sorry. No sorry. Everyone is participate, guys.
You don't need to sing a song, you just
Yeah.
give a short answer.
You start learning down chichipi.
Okay, tell me, what's the funny and quirky thing will be
Add.
if you are going to design our flat for one day. कौन सा मैं add करूँ?
Anything.
Anything.
This is not IS syllabus. This is not like IS level questions.
कुछ भी. Okay. Okay, revert.
So Avinash, are you ready? So team A, Mr. Pravanjan, Miss Gayatri, Soumya, and also Miss Subransu, and like Mr. Subransu. मजे रेडी फन पार्टी जरूरी कॉमेडी होगा कथा एंड मिस्टर मोस्ट वांटेड बैचलर सॉरी मानी लाइक अविनेश भाई एंड सुप्रीति मीनाक्षी मोहन सो दिस इज टीम ए एंड दिस इज टीम बी आर यू रेडी गाइज सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अविनाश भाई एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट इज टक टक
So who was the first president of India?
सी ऑल्सो यूर जज तुम्हें डिसाइड कर कि फास्ट बजेटा प्रेस कल which is first question done it's right okay so team is 5 point congratulations so yeah next question Abhinav bhai
Who was the last Governor General of independent India? Who was the last Governor General? Last Governor General of independent India.
yeah this is a nice questions
Last Governor General of independent India.
so next questions
What does the word Satyagraha means? Satyagraha.
The path of truth.
is it right
Almost.
okay so team B also 5 points
In which year did India become a republic? 1950.
oh this is right
Yes.
okay so another point 5 points to team A so next questions anything this is the questions are like
Marks the start of India. Repeat. Which event marks the start of India's struggle for independence? Which event marks the start of India's struggle for independence?
Mohan
No, Paigodra decided.
okay another 5 point team is really going well congratulations are you ready guys okay next questions अरे सुनो questions चलो next ला
15 words or 5 points also. Which river is considered as longest river of India?
okay another 5 point wow team is really well what are you doing guys you have only 5 points there are 20 points okay
Of the Indian leader known for slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan.
Subhash Chandra Bose. No. What is it? Yes.
okay another right another 5 point so its score is like
25 points.
25 and 5 what are you doing guys
Bonus question for the team only.
okay yeah guys You are doing really, really well. Next questions, bonus questions.
Angle of India.
Oh my god! This is something else, guys. Actually, this is our first questions actually in our script.
35.
So 30 and 5. Wake up, guys! Wake up! Wake up!
For team A only.
Okay. Once again.
Which city is known as the pink city of India?
Okay. So also 5 and 35.